Hi there, this is Anastasia Hodges, aka Coach Ace. Welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design YouTube channel, the place to come to learn how to make money online because nobody teaches digital marketing like Ace and Rich. Thank you so much for stopping by today's video. If it's your first time here, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to do a PixTeller tutorial, and we're going to learn how to edit and add images in PixTeller. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, inside here we have a blank canvas, and the size is 1080 in width as well as 1080 in height. And what we're going to do is start with the images. Right here towards the left, you're going to select images, and this button here that says add image is where you click and select so that you can access the gallery of all the images that's available to you. So let's say, for example, we need to pick an image to work with. So let's say I want to work with palm trees. I like palm trees, so let's go ahead and do that. And we're going to search through all these images. Now, these images don't have any dollar signs, which I really like, because these images are free. That's right. When you use the PixTeller account for free, you have access to all these beautiful, stunning images. And until you upgrade, you actually open up the gallery to hundreds of thousands more. So we're going to go ahead and look for a photograph that we can actually play with. I like this one. Okay, now what happens is once you select the image that you want, it's going to be really tiny in the upper left corner. So what we want to do is we're going to hold with our mouse with the left click and drag it down to where we want in position. So we'll put it right here in the center. Now you see these markers around here? These markers indicate where you want to start stretching your image. So rather than take the image and stretch it side to side, we want to do corner to corner. So this corner here is okay to stretch it. And what that will do is it won't distort the image or stretch it and make it so stretched that it really messes up the picture, right? And we can do it also from the top corner here. If we click in the center, it will make it longer, okay? Like this. And you see how it just stretched out the image some more? So let's say what you're trying to do is literally cover the whole canvas. The best thing to do, okay, let's click here and delete on our keyboard. And what we want to do is go to Images, Add Image. And where is that image there? We had it here. Okay, once you select your image, now let's say you want the image to actually cover the whole canvas. Now what you want to do is select Set as Background, and it immediately will cover the whole entire canvas. Doesn't that look awesome? Now, what we can do with images is a lot, okay? Especially in PixTeller. So we're going to keep this very basic, very beginner friendly. So that's pretty much covering the whole canvas. And if you want to add a second image or layer images, the best thing to do is literally try to add an image and make sure that the image you're going to use to layer has a transparent background. Case point example, I already have one. So let's go and do that. Let's go over here, grab my image. So here's a picture of me that I've already cropped out the background. I'm going to add that image into this photograph. Here I am really tiny. Remember what I said? Click on the corner to expand it. And I can put myself over here. Lovely. Okay, so I'm going to bring myself a little bit smaller here. Kind of looks like I'm actually at this place and I'm in the balcony. Okay, so here I am right here. Okay, now what you really can do is you can change certain things of the image. So if you want to add other graphics like text and things like that, what you can do is you can add text. And you can put text graphics as well. So what we're going to do is add a piece of text, and I would use white so that I can see it. There it is right there. And we'll bring this over here. And now we're going to drag this way like this. Click inside the text. We'll say aloha and Coach Ace. Okay, and we're going to center it. And we're going to blow up the text a little bit some. There we go. And then let's say you want to put some graphics on here. So we're going to go back to, let's say images. Go to add image, search. And we want to pick some pineapple. And we'll put some of these graphics here like this. You just put and click and drag just like so. And you could do this with anything, guys. I mean, what you want to do is just have lots of fun with it. really let your creative juices just flow. You know, what you want to do with it. Totally up to you, right? So what I would do here is I would actually make this a little smaller like that. There we go. We'll give it some kick there. Put a little there. Now, let's say you want to duplicate this image. You can right click over it, click on copy, and it will duplicate it. Okay? And then you're going to paste, and there it is. Going to layer it on top, and all you do is start moving it to where you want it to go. So let's say we want to put it up here. Okay? Great. You can do the same thing here. Click on the image, right click, copy, click off, then paste. It'll layer it on top, and then you can click and drag it to where you want it to go. Another thing you can do with images and graphics is you can rotate them. So let's say, for example, you wanted to rotate yourself. Okay? So let's start with this picture here. Notice this little cursor up here in this marker, it turns into a plus sign. If you start to rotate it, you see how I'm changing? There it is. I'm changing. See? I'm coming from the side. Oops, don't want to mess with that. Okay? Here we go. And if I hold it down and I keep going all the way around, now I'm upside down. So we're going to put me back up. There we go. Right side up. There we go. Okay? So you can do that as well. You can also do that with text. Text could be upside down. Text could be sideways. Okay. What else can we do with this thing? Oh my goodness, lots of good stuff, right? We could even change the color in the image. Watch this. Click on the image itself. Go to where it says filters and effects. And right here are different image effects that you can choose from. So if you want to preview them, just select one, vintage, and it changes the background to a vintage look. Select the next one, Lomo. It changes the background to very bright. See that? Almost like Instagram filters. There we go. That looks lovely. Yeah, pretty much right there. That is clarity. So I like that one because it really makes the sky come out blue, the blue in the water, the white in the waves. I like all of that. So that's just showing you a little bit of what you can do with your images, okay? If you have any questions, be sure to comment them below this video. I wanted to keep this very basic, very simple, so you guys can see the things that you can do when you're adding graphics and adding images to PixTeller. Other than that, did you get value from today's video? Be sure to comment below. And also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss a beat when we go live and when we upload new content. And on top of that, if you're looking for our recommended program to help you learn how to make money online and free yourself from the shackles of working 9 to 5 and be able to have time freedom, be sure to click the link below this video. It'll take you to a page where you can enter in your best email address, and that will give you all of that information. With that being said, my name is Anastasia Hodge, aka Coach Ace, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.